In this video, we are going to see about Pulsar 150 chain kit in Bajaj genuine parts. Let's see what all the components are included, the specifications, and the thickness of this chain sprocket kit. The packing comes in blue color as usually. Here we get a gearbox sprocket, rear wheel sprocket, and a chain. This gearbox sprocket has 15 teeth, a final drive which has 44 teeth, and a chain of 124 links with pre-applied lubricant. All the specifications are given outside the box, so you can refer there easily. This chain kit is a 4-hole chain kit. This chain kit comes in black color with the coating. Now measuring the thickness of the gearbox sprocket, it has 7.05 millimeters of thickness. Measuring the rear wheel sprocket, it has the thickness of 7.32 millimeters. Also measuring the chain, we have the thickness of 2.34 millimeters, which is the thickness of the chain plate inside words and not the thickness of the full chain. If you are using Pulsar 150 bike, what are the spares are you using, and which brand will you prefer? Will you prefer this chain kit for your bike? Please tell us in the comment section. If you need this chain kit, you can purchase in our website 2Wheelerspares.com, and also we have listed many spare parts in our website. If you need it, please refer there. If your product is not listed in our website, then please contact us. Subscribe us.